Time for a visual upgrade. I'll show you how to change your wallpaper in Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick and personalized desktop transformation. Right-click it and select the Set as Desktop Background option, and your wallpaper has changed alternatively. You can also customize your background from the Personalization menu. You can do this by right-clicking the desktop and selecting the Personalize option. And in the following window, select the background category from the right pane. In here, you'll have the option to personalize your background even further. For example, I know I have the picture option, but I can use either the Windows 11 default papers or my own pictures. But in the drop-down menu, there's more options. Solid, for example, which is literally a solid color that will fill your desktop. And you can choose various colors from the available palette, or you can also choose Slideshow, which gives you the opportunity to change between pictures within a set time frame.